what's your name?
My name is Mahashweta Dasgupta.
And my name is Pritam Dev.
Mahashweta, you are 3A and Pritam, you are 3B. Tell me, Mahashweta, something about your family.
My family consists of 3 members. I have my dad, my mom and myself. Along with that, I also have a pet named Bruno. So we can say that we are 4 members in my home. And I also believe that people have an ideology that a joint family can only be a happy family. But we 4 together make a complete sense and we are happy enough.
That's good. Pritam, tell me what would you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I would like to surf internet to get different informations regarding the natures and our day-to-day life. And I would also like to play games such as chess, caroms, or you can say outdoor games also I play, such as football, cricket, etc.
Very good. Mahashweta, we will start with you. You are now going to tell me about your topic. And once you end up, Pritam is going to ask you some questions and after that I will ask you some more. You can start your topic.
My topic is science in everyday life. If we look back to the dim past and compare the world, means the modern world with the past, we find a great difference. The mode of living of the primitive people is quite different from that of us. The primitive people had no comforts in their life because they didn't have the basic knowledge of science. Science has made us such a progress, which helped us to improve from the means we started living from caves to now in multi-storied buildings. Science has helped us in every way possible. It has done its best to give comfort to us. Starting from health, transport, communication, food, shelter, everything of our life now revolves around science. So we all should realize that it's a boon for us and we must give the required importance to it and think of better ways to progress science in our future.
Very nice. Pritam, you can ask Mahashweta the questions.
Okay, Mahashweta, tell me, why primitive people face different types of difficulties in their life?
Primitive people faced different types of difficulties in their lives because they had no basic knowledge of science. They didn't know how to utilize the resources properly.
Okay. And what science has done for us?
Science, starting from food, shelter, clothes, buildings, everything around us, even to our medical facilities which we get nowadays, everything is because of science. It's a great blessing for us.
Definitely, it's true.
Tell me, Mahashweta, something more about this interesting topic.
Sir, as I told right now that science has done everything possible for us. It gives us comfort to a great extent. But still, we are not satisfied with it. We human beings have problems with everything around us. Like, there are many instances. We are never satisfied with what we are getting. Science is doing its level best for us and we are always concerned about its negative effects. We talk about its negative sides. But I think we should always think about the positive way and move on with the science.
Tell me one thing. Do you like preparing for this topic?
Sir, science in everyday life, being a student of science, I find is such a topic which we all should know about it and which we all should not only give a speech on it, but we should realize the fact what it is. Science is a boon for us and we all must know its utilities.
It's really nice to hear this from you. Pritam, over to you. You are now going to tell me about your topic and once you end up, Mahashweta will ask you some questions and after that I will ask you some more. You can start, Pritam.
Yes, sir. My topic is natural resources. Natural resources occurs naturally within an environment that exists relatively undisturbed by humanity in one or other form. Natural resources often be characterized as the amount of biodiversity and geodiversity exist normally in environment. Natural resources are derived from environment. Now, different types of natural resources are there. Some of them are used for our daily needs, while some of them are essential for our survival.
That's very nice. Mahashweta, it's your turn to ask him the questions.
Okay, Pritam, so tell me, what do you mean by natural resource?
Natural resource is a material or compound which can be used or found within environment.
Okay, and one more thing I would like to know from you, that is, in which forms natural resource exist?
Natural resource exists in various forms. It exists as a food, as our daily needs, like shelters and other things such as water resources and etc.
Pritam, tell me, what do you mean by sustainable development?
Sustainable development is a roadmap, or we can say the action plan of describing sustainability within the environment.
How agriculture affect in depletion of the natural resources?
Yes, natural resources had a great effect in depletion of natural resources, because the use of phosphorus or nitrogen or etc. are harm the soil, which from which the agricultural field got affected.
Good. Now we are here to the next part of the task. I will now read out a problem before you, and you two will listen to that. After that, you will have a silent reading among yourself, and you will discuss what possible solution you could come out with this problem. Your friend is very good at cricket. He has played in district and state level from his school. Now he wants to join to a professional club. His parents are reluctant to grant him the permission. With your partner, you discuss his parents should permit him and what he should do to convince his parents.
Hey Marshita, where you have been from last 2 days?
Actually, I was not well. Why? What happened?
We all know about Rian, our friend, who is very good in cricket.
Yeah, what happened to him? Is everything alright?
As we all know that he is very good in cricket and has played many district and state level matches, and he won. But nowadays there has been a problem regarding this.
What's wrong? According to me, there should be no problem regarding the matter of cricket, at least for him.
Yeah, there is no problem regarding him, but his parents wants that their son should not go to that center.
But why? Why his parents are misguiding his talent?
According to their parents' state of mind, their son should more concentrate on studies rather than playing cricket and all.
Yeah, it's true. But they should understand. They should have the concern about his dreams.
Yes, definitely. So now we have to help our friend so that his parents get convinced.
You are right, but how can we convince them?
We can tell them about the benefits of cricket which he will get, and the respect, which is most important, which is the respect he will get from the people.
Yeah, you are right. And we can also tell them that doing what he wants to do in life is more preferable than what his parents want him to do.
Yes. If he will listen to his parents, then what about his dreams? What about him? He will face many kinds of problem regarding in future.
Yes, you are right. So I think we should go tomorrow and talk to his parents.
But I think you have forgot that tomorrow we have school and we have an important assignment.
Yes, you are right. I actually forgot that. Okay, then we can go on Sunday.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, it was really nice to see you two discussing with the problem. So your friend who is a good cricketer, he is suffering from the issues, parents are not permitting it. Pritham, you tell me, have you come to any particular solution regarding this problem?
Yes, sir. As we have discussed now that his parents are not interested in cricket and he wants to join it because he is very good in cricket. Now we have discussed that we will try to make his parents convinced so that our friends' parents get convinced so that his future become bright.
Tell me, Pritham, why do you think his parents don't want him to become a sports star?
Because our friends are nowadays friends are getting more interested in other activities rather than in studies. But our parents, but according to our parents' state of mind, we should learn or study or do different kinds of jobs such as engineering or doctor else.
Good. Mahashweta, tell me what you people are going to do now. You will convince his parents. Do you think his parents will listen?
Sir, we will try our level best to make his parents convinced, and to be honest, it's really surprising that being the parents of 21st century, how can his parents behave like this in such an illogical manner? They are just forcing their demands on him. They don't care about his dreams and his future. And I also think that someone means to make his passion his profession is really good thing, and I think that his parents will get to realize this.
I do think that. The last question to you, Mahashweta. This group discussion that you had with Pritham and Pritham had with you, do you think it was really helpful?
Sir, this group discussion was really helpful because here we came to know about the different points of views, not only mine but also his. And we together got a solution to this problem which alone I wouldn't been able to get. And moreover, today we got a moral lesson not only for us but also for our parents that they should support us and our dreams and make us and give us the opportunity at least once to progress in our life.
Thanks, both of you. It was nice to have the task with you both. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You can go.
Thank you, sir.